The video is dedicated to help you remove the unwanted browser extension called Ocean Saver. Ocean Saver is the name of this extension. Some people may suddenly realize that this Ocean Saver has some way or another become integrated into their browser. This Ocean Saver is actually a browser hijacker. Whenever you submit any search queries, you would get the results by some other unfamiliar search engines. And it also replaces the new tab. To remove this Ocean Saver, we recommend you to immediately check the list of your available browser extensions by going to the menu, More Tools, Extensions. Then, logically, if you see this Ocean Saver extension, disable and remove it. In order to be convinced that your computer is free of other infections, we recommend that you investigate it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the program, and start examining your computer with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only Quick Scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.